especially Alexa, the birthday celebrant, to give them your blessings for every day that they come and now I'm in all your world.
Actually, si Lexie talaga, kasi nakikita ko talaga kung very mabait ko. Mana-mana sa mami. Saka talented talaga to. Very, talented model. Yan. So, proud ako sa kanilang family. Saka talagang mababait yung anak nila. Si Renkin, saka si Gusto nila. So, birthday!
Stay beautiful and healthy, ha? Siyempre, love your mom and dad.
Happy birthday, Lexie. Alam kong isa kang mabuting bata. Nakikita ko na yun pala kasi may mga magulang ka na nakit sa simbahan. Kitang-kita ko sa'yo yung itsura at saka katangian naman. Okay, yun na lang pagkakaiba nyo. Bata ka pa naka-expose na. Si Mami medyo mahiyain pa eh. Sorry. Ayan. Si Mami kasi ang dami ng talent tulad mo. Magaling kumanta, magaling sumayaw. Pero si Mami mahiyain. Pero alam ko ikaw ay naangat pa ng konti kay Mami. Sana lumaki kang batang masayahin, mapagmahal sa Diyos at sa magulang. Muli, happy birthday, Lexie.
Hello, Lexie. Happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo good health at lumaki kang mabuting bata. Tulad ng iyong mami at daddy. Ano po, magiging successful ka someday. Dito lang yung tito. Nakagabay sa'yo. Kung ano mang problema, nandito lang kami palagi. Lumapit ka lang sa amin. Wag lang pera. Happy birthday. I love you.
Happy birthday, Alexandra or Lexie. So, nasa chat ka pa naman kami, dinadalga ka na namin. So, ang wish ko sa'yo is sana magkaroon ka ng magandang future and do what makes you happy. Lagi lang kami nakaabang sa kung ano man yung mga gusto mong gawin sa buhay and we are very supportive sa kung ano man yung gusto mong tahakin in life. So, happy birthday again.
Lexie, sana lumaki kang batang maging magaling sa magulang, mag-aaral ka ng mabuti, at saka higit sa lahat, maging mag-asal. Happy birthday, Lexie!
Wish ko sa'yo na lumaki ka ng matasahin, kalibig ka and then whatever will you do, dito lang sabihin mo to support you. Okay? Birthday!
Ayan, happy birthday, Lexie. Wish ko sa'yo na lumaki ka katulad nila mami at daddy na mabubuting tao and I see a good future to you and lagi kang magdadasal and yung talent mo, gamitin mo yan to praise God like mami and daddy. Okay? Happy birthday! Love ka ni teacher.
Lexie, I wish you happy birthday and always be a good girl.
It'll be totally strange. It's for the first time in forever. There'll be music, there'll be lights for
We have many more birthdays to come and to celebrate. Of course, with love, joy, and happiness. And then keep safe always and always think twice sa lahat ng decision mo. And then always pray pagka you reach from your limits. Yan lang. Thank you. Lexi, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Lexi. I love you. Okay, sobrang ngayon ko lang nagkakaroon na anak na
And for all the visitors who came here to give their time to celebrate these wonderful occasions. And thank you sa time nyo, sa effort, and then gusto nag-participate ng kanilang performance. Thank you very much. And we really appreciate your time. And then, of course, there are many more to come, so we will also invite you again. And then, let's be happy for this and enjoy your day.
Maraming salamat sa pagpunta ninyong lahat. Sobrang appreciated.
Alright, thank you. Alright, so hold your magic wand, please. And please say everyone, huwag masisirain. One, please. Alright, hawakan mo lang. And please open the fan and you play it up and down. Come on, let's give a clap for Lexi. O, palakpakan naman. What happened to my fan? sorry. Okay, this one pala na. Okay, again, Lexi. Blow the fan. And then open it. Yeah.